said. I said that the new legislation which comes into being today is in and of itself the product of very wide, long consultation process. The provisions in that bill were not something that some of us one day woke up and some bright additional secretary or joint secretary said to the secretary ki ye dal do. It's not like that. We went through what the experience of other countries was. What is the best experience in which countries? Not just the highly advanced industrial economies. We even went by the experience of countries in different continents. We picked up things, and from there we produced a body of rules which was again put in the public domain, and then we invited comments. And I think the enthusiasm with which the new legislation which has gone into effect today has been received, that is essentially because people see in that the kind of wish list that they had and put them. So I said, under the far-sighted and bold leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, we never say that we have done it, bas, ho gaya. That's not the attitude. If something more needs to be done going further from here, we stand ready to receive suggestions. So I cannot answer again what more needs to be done. I am not saying, according to me, this may be final, but you may come around tomorrow. But, you know, a legislation is only as good as its implementing rules. So today we have also put in the public domain a set of rules on how the legislation will be implemented. So again, that is out for how long? Have you put what time have you given?
So we said 30 to 45 days.
30 to 45 days. So it's all out. So have a look at it. I would even recommend the press to have a look at it. I would go a step further. I would recommend DGH and anyone else. If you want to understand what the draft rules are, we will even have a informal discussion with you where our own experts and people from the economists, etc. will say. And then once these rules are there, I say you will have a very satisfactory basis on which the coordinates of cooperation in this sector, both upstream and elsewhere, relied areas, will be implemented. That's what I say.